We're doing some stone steps here. So this is the end where originally the railing went from here over to here. And it's probably that second piece in there. But after starting to frame it in, I decided to do this. Now the only thing is, because this side is higher over here next to the house, and it's lower over here, and that way the water runs off. We don't get sitting water on here. So what I did was I wanted it to look even on the siding. Plus I just wanted it to come even on the siding. So and where it was hitting, I ran it straight across, which means it's coming from a high point here. It's going to stay high on the house, and then it's going to slope into here because this is lower. But I think that's still going to be okay because I can slant our steps a little bit too. So I picked up a bunch of stone along the road where it was falling in, and I've started to pile them in here. And I want this to be piled in so you can't see. And I'll step down here. Luckily this big one, I had to roll it and kind of tilt it up onto a bigger one and then tilt it onto the truck. It's pretty big, it's pretty thick, it's a good 6 inches, it's pretty heavy. But then I was able to tilt it onto the truck and it wasn't hard on my back at all. So I started piling them in here. So I'm trying to do the outer edge, and then I'll just fill in the center with anything, maybe these concrete pieces, and keep piling in and see if I have enough stone to do the rest of this. Well, it's going good so far. We have this other top piece here, a pretty thick one. I'm going to use that for the second step, and I think that'll do it.